All right, part two. Part two. I'm not even, you know what? I'm not even gonna say anything, bro. I'm just going to draw, do my own thing, and then dip. That's what I'm going to do. Do my own thing and dip. Da, 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 da. Muzukashi. Oh, interesting. Okay, so first of all, these are not. These are very, very accentuated. Whoa. Bees nuts. You know what? I'm not even tripping. I really apologize for the quality of the stream. My internet is being really fucky. I am so sorry about that. I really apologize. I guess this may give me some room to mess around with Clip Studio Paint as well. I did mess around with it a little bit today. Very fascinating. A very interesting software. And also, but by the way, I tried the time-lapse feature. It's so convenient. It is incredibly convenient. Shut up, phone. It's so easy to access, and the funny thing is, it's not like you have to finish your drawing session, for example, and then you need to you access it whenever you want. You can access it and see like up to where you drew, like how the time lapse is. I'm sorry, I forgot to show it last stream, Derpy. But it's so fun. It's actually so fun. Very easy, very easy. It claims that it will make the file larger, and of course it does, but it's because it's going to be a recording. But it's so funny because the file, the Clip Studio file being large, well, you got to it eventually. What do you mean? What are you referring to? I'm sorry, maybe the stream is a bit slow. But I was saying, it claims that the file will be larger. I mean, sure, it will be. Oh yeah, I did get to it eventually. Yeah, maybe I'll show it on Discord if I was allowed, if I was able to. Yeah, okay. Because I really hope like this thing, like the bad bitrate, is just a YouTube thing or a streaming thing. It's not like an internet thing. I really hope it's not an internet thing. Because if it is an internet thing, then I'm gonna definitely struggle with watching the episode today as well. Which I don't want. I don't want to watch Severance, man. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, interesting. Look at this. Come on. Should this be lower? Also, yes, something feels... I think something like this would be... Yep. Maybe if these... I mean, I started it from here. I should have... That's a big lip. This might feel like it should be more like here, I think. Yeah, I mean, yeah, kind of. It's, okay, and then we stretch the mouth really hard. Ugh. The sleepiness. Actually, I walked a lot today, It was. I had a really. Oh, whoops. Big walk. The big walk. I'm a cook. But yeah, I got out like from home at like 6 p.m. and I came back at like 9. Yeah. So it was like a 3 hours walk. Big waka waka like Pac-Man? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I waka waka till I got tired. Wait, what did the guy say that time? It's they were doing like a video about like tasting food. It's I think they were tasting tarts or something. They were tasting tiramisu, I think. No, not tiramisu. What were they tasting? I forgot. Ah. They were tasting cheesecakes. Yes. Whoops. I honestly don't care about like if the lines are wobbly or not. I'm trying to get the form right. Lovely dessert to ram it would be interesting if it was like that. To ram it. to ram me Sue. He did. The guy, one of the guys in the video said something funny, and I cannot remember what he said. Ah. 801 days. That's like 2 days more than 798. Yes, that is very true. Also, on day 800. I got my hands on a version of Clip Studio Paint. Shout out Kamoy again. I'll never forget it, bro. But I messed around with Clip Studio yesterday, and I've had so much fun. And I'm just waiting on the sale. Good God, like if my local AI works, because not really. I want to set a reminder, and I want to allow like the models to remind me whenever, like once, like there's a sale on their website. I want it to get triggered, and I want it to send me a notification. It can be done. There's that feature in Odysseus, but man, the models are not allowing me, bro. The models are not letting me do that. Once I figure out how the models, how to work the models, bro, it's done. And I don't want to pay for it. I don't want to pay for like a model that's like $0.04 per request or per token or whatever. It's because that shit builds up. Would you stop? I've also tried to use like Open Router and Grok, not Grok, not what's it called, not Twitter's thing. Why do you want to know when there's sales on the site? It's to get Clip Studio Paint. I mean, I do have it now, but it's not mine. It's Kamoi's. And also like Kamoi's is like version 1 something something, right? I wanna get the 5th version. Actually, I want to check if you start your subscription or you get your license on version 1, would you be able to update the software? I would think so, right? I'd like to think so. I need to check that, actually. Maybe you can join Clip Studio Paint Discord and get a discount. Notify role. Nah. I want to do it with AI. I want to get the notification on my computer, or potentially in an email. How fancy would that be? I mean, I don't check my email. Is updating it's not paid? That's something I need to check. I'm not sure. I mean, I saw like on the website, maybe I read something about like being able to update it. I'm really not sure. Like the teeth are still contained in the mouth, right? So it's kind of like this. I don't know. I mean, this is bulging out. Why are you guys crumbled up in like the corner? Make some room. Oh, never mind. Maybe there is like an overlap. Oh, you meant like a notification when there's a discount sale, not a sale, like a sale for the product to someone? Yeah. That's what I meant. I thought you wanted to be notified every time someone bought. Yeah, I mean, I really don't care about that, do I? Maybe you can set up some script to request the Clip Studio page and notify it if it detects any word like sale or discount or percent or something like that. We're scheming in the corner, totally. I mean, those ideas or sound incredible, okay? But I want the agent, okay? I want the agent to every kind of like day at a certain time, I want it to trigger to go like, okay, I'm going to that website. I'm going to check for I want the agent to do it. I don't want to make the script. And you can, sure, I can vibe code the script, but I don't want to be involved in the process. I want to go to the agent and be like, listen, I want you to check for a sale, a discount on such and such website every such and such. And I want you to notify me every day. And then boom, it will do it. That's doable. I know it's doable. I want to do it, but like I'm still figuring out how. I'm finding difficulties. Oh, I need to express to show the tongue here. It would be cool if with one prompt you can just ask the agent to vibe code it so that it saves tokens and still let's say all be hand free. That's a cool idea. So the agent would create the script and it would use it, or it would trigger it. Also, token wise, I don't think it's going to be very heavy, right? It's going to be every day, and it's a simple like go check the specific URL, right? Well, well, not the URL, maybe this domain, and look through the domain. But it's not that hard. Like, it's not very extensive. Is PewDiePie's thing worth installing? That's so funny you mentioned that, Empty. I installed PewDiePie's thing, and it is PewDiePie's thing in and of itself. It's just like a shell. You know what I mean? It's a shell, and the models that you run inside of the shell are like what makes or breaks the harness, let's say, right? So if you run a bad local AI, which I've done, I ran 2 local AIs on my very humble hardware. They absolutely sucked. If you don't have good hardware, do not use a local, because you're not gonna have a good experience. All right. I was like, yeah, maybe I'll be able to wait for like a couple of minutes if I get like a really solid response. No, I was waiting and I got shit responses. Right. So, but then your other option, it would be to use free API, free like cloud APIs, right? Which I mean, yeah, I mean you can do it. You can do that differently, which I started doing now. But you know, you're also giving access to your computer, basically, especially if you're using your AI agentically to those companies. If you're fine with it, I mean, I'm fine with it to a certain extent. But yeah, you were saying you don't want to pay, I guess, because the token cost builds up. So I was just saying, does the cookbook feature seem good, by the way? The cookbook feature is really good. The reason why I'm not... I'm just like using it to check like which model works best. And the cookbook feature in PewDiePie's thing, you can check and then you can download the model, right? And the good thing is that you wouldn't really like set it up or something, because you need the model, then you set it up either with Ollama, which is like the easiest thing, or you set it up using VLLM or something like that, which is more kind of like technical, but it's also like feasible, right? It's with the thing with me, I can't really download the models from there because they're not in the right format. So the right format, if I want to use Ollama, would be the GGUF or GUF format. I don't know how it's pronounced, right? When you download the models from the cookbook, it's in another format that I would only be able to set it up if I had like a Linux setup. I don't have a Linux operating system. I'm running on Windows, so I either run, run with Ollama, or I use WSL, which is kind of like a Linux interface, and then I use Ubuntu inside of it, and it's a whole thing. I don't want to get into it. Or I use a virtual machine, which is like basically I redo the whole thing again, which is again, I mean, I already started this. But it's very fun to play around with. And like I said, like you just like understand or appreciate how really tough and strong the models the free models that we mess around with just like are, compared to something local that you run on your machine. I mean, even Gemini 2.5, I think, looks pretty impressive compared to anything else anything like at all that I ran locally. And 2.5 is like old, right? You got a desktop or a laptop? I got a laptop, which, you know, is not the best. It's supposed to be a gaming laptop, but you know, its hardware is not, its specs is not, are not the best. I mean, I have to what is it called, to what is it freaking called? I got like an RTX, and not RTX, GTX, and I got like a Raiden 7, right? Which are fine, but like they're not really that great either. And my GTX is like 1650, which is like very, like the lowest kind of like GTX you would be able to get. Stream is, I think it's my internet. I think it's my internet connection. I think I'm going to stop after this pose, after this this mouth, open mouth drawing, and I'm going to go on Discord, because this is not it. Hopefully, like, Discord is smoother. First of all, what the hell is happening here? This is not supposed to be this way. Oh. Good luck with drawing. Thank you, man. Thank you. Also, good luck with whatever you're doing right now. It's been a while since we talked over chat or Discord, actually. So I hope you're doing well with whatever you're doing. I'll go slumber now. Rest well, my man. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by. I've been learning coding for... Oh, shit. Let's go. Bye-bye. All right. And I think I'm going bye-bye here as well. Let's see. Let's see. See, this doesn't feel... This doesn't feel... I'm not feeling it. Are you guys feeling it? Everyone learning coding lately? I mean, I don't think coding has ever been this accessible, like, in history. All the coding Discord notifications from Mono server. No. making things accessible is pretty based for sure, for sure. Okay, I'm gonna stop it here, even though like I'm not very happy with it, but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye bye.